Hello guys, Mehul here back again with another new video, and I'm pretty much sure that all of you have been seeing like a tons of QR generator nowadays. But one thing specific, like whenever you see the QR of your Google Pay, maybe okay, it has your picture in the middle, and around it's kind of circly, okay, and gives you the not traditional QR look, but dot circles and dots QR like view that is like haphazard and all, okay. So that kind of a custom QR, like we don't know who can make it, like where we can make it. Like I don't know. I would not say for you guys, but I really don't know where can I generate that kind of QRs. But today I have found a site that does kind of that thing, but in more and more fun way, to be honest, okay. So let me give you the example of this site. Like let me walk you through this site, and you decide how much you love this site or not, okay. And I seriously speaking, you're gonna love it because it have plenty of, like not plenty of, yeah, plenty of options to choose from, that's one thing. But it's different, okay, it's different in some areas that you will obviously like. So let me just share the site with you without further ado, okay. So here is our today's site, that is QR code generator by mention, okay. Now here you can see this is not traditional kind of site or the traditional kind of experience that you can get from other websites, okay. It have really different thing, like it is a chat window where you can start making keywords, okay. Before this, like let's go through some of its features. So here you have uh type out the QR code, whatever, like do the basics. Now we will go through that, but here's the most incredible thing. You can give it your logo, or you can maybe also give a placeholder and generate the logo like that, and whatever you will not be able to use it as a QR like API. So yeah, that doesn't make sense, whatever. So let's move on to other features. So actually let me show it to you. So here it is in a chat format, and if you click on like select a QR code, you can choose from which of the option you want to choose, like the classic one on the branded one. Obviously we are going for today branding one because obviously we want to try out different things over here. So we'll just select Bahon's logo over here, and let's create that, okay. Then I will click on send, and the file size is up to 10 MB, so keep that in mind. Now here is the QR option, like the code which will be generated inside, okay, rather than the square. So you can choose from classic square ones, rounded ones, overly rounded ones, circle ones, like it's totally dotted form, and again back to square. I really like this portion. And now you can choose the side square as well, okay. You can choose the normal square on square, square and circles, rounded square, rounded circles, or like both of them rounded, okay. Then this, and then total circles. So this total circle theme would really go well with the previous selected dotted circles. And now you can choose the edge colors, the obviously the color that will be in the edge, and you can choose the code color as well, and the background color. So I will stick with white for the background, and like default colors. Actually I can choose the different, like still let's just stay with the okay. So yeah, now here I have to give the link https:// bohon.co, okay. And lastly, we have to give the mail. Okay, so I will just give the mail of Bohon. So it will mail it to you, as well as it will let you download this from this platform as well. Yeah, it's ready. And I have actually prepared one before with the same settings. And as you can see, and if you right now like pause the video and scan the QR, you will be able to go to Bohon's site for sure. And I have checked it myself. At first it didn't work pretty well with my default camera, so I tried with global lens, and that worked perfectly. After that I tried it again with my default camera, and that worked okay. So there's no problem, there's not too much problem, but still it's great. And you can click on download. It will like open another tab for you, and like give the download command here. That's basically it, how you generate this QR code in this platform. This is pretty much a different experience, I would say. First of all, because they are using a chatbot kind of format to generate the QR. Okay, and this inclusion of logo and giving you the option of different patterns, selecting from different type of style of patterns, it's really great. I really like that. Okay, so yeah, that's about this whole website. And when you are done, just refresh it, you will get another new form. And that's basically it. If you're gonna go through their terms and condition, please go through that, because obviously you are giving them something, that is, you are giving them first of all your mail ID, second your link that you want to convert, and third the logo image. So you have total right to go through their terms and condition. So go through it, whatever. That's it for this video. Let me know if you know about some of the great apps like this, because it's really useful, specifically API based, because that would be bliss for many of the people, for me as well, because it will be easier to generate keywords than in my SAS. Okay, and rather than that, if you like my videos in general, please do subscribe to this channel. If you like this video even, please give it a thumbs up, comments down below, share it with your friends, like do whatever help me to boost the YouTube algorithm, because that needs me, like I really need that. Okay, whatever. So that's it. Bye.